In every corner of the world, color tells stories and depicts dreams in its own way. In the world of digital inkjet printing, color is endowed with infinite possibilities and creativity. Taking color as the starting point and dream as the driving force, Guangzhou Nuocai Digital Products Co. Limited is setting sail away. Founded in 2009, located in Nansha District, Guangzhou, China's Industrial Intelligent Manufacturing Center, Nuocai is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the development of digital inkjet printing technology and has established branches in Foshan and Guangzhou, covering an area of more than 50,000 square meters. Nuocai also has independent machining plants, advanced precise machine tools, independent sheet metal manufacturing, and wire accessories manufacturing workshops. The company has a powerful R&D team and a full process inspection and testing laboratory to define the quality. It has successively passed the EU-CE, International CB, ISO 9001 International Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, ISO 5001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System, and other certifications to ensure that every product can meet the highest standard of color performance. Incorporating the magic of color into every drop of ink is not only a visual feast, but also a display of technology. The company has been committed to the research, development, and innovation of digital inkjet printing technology since 2009. In this era of pursuit for speed, passion, personality, and romance, the accurate restore and infinite combination of color is the key to winning the market. Exploration, innovation, and ingenuity is the core for us to leading industry change and achieving long-term development. In 2013, Nuocai developed and launched the first domestic independent UV flatbed printer successfully, defining the printing format of 40 cm * 60 cm. And in the same year, it developed and launched a 6090 cm printing format, which is the first 6090 UV printer around the world. After years of continuous research and development, more than 20 kinds have been developed and get high reputation, promoting the continuous development of digital inkjet printing industry technology. Nuocai won the honor of Guangzhou Science and Technology Innovation Little Giant Enterprise and Guangdong High-Tech Enterprise. Our products have obtained 45 national patents, 6 high-tech products in Guangdong Province, and 1 scientific and technological achievement in Guangzhou. With digital inkjet printing technology as the core and the service concept of customer first, Nuocai provides a complete set of solutions for different industries. Our technology is widely used in advertising decoration, craft gifts, product packaging, hardware badges, toys, stationery, makeup, cups and pots, plastic products, clothing accessories, and other industries. No plate making and no color restriction. Our minimum order is 1 piece, the material is not subject to special restrictions, and the high-quality image effect is quickly output, which is economically and environmentally friendly, so that the color becomes a rainbow in life. Through the strong digital platform, Nuocai's professional sales and after-sales service team provides efficient and convenient services to global customers in more than 60 countries and regions around the world. We insist on the purpose of customer center, understanding customers' needs and feedback, and continuously optimizing products and services. We will continue to uphold the concept gorgeous color, our promise, in the future. We will continue to devote ourselves to the research, development, and innovation of digital inkjet printing technology, improving our core competitiveness, promoting the progress and development of the industry, and bringing our products to every country in the world. Combining color with the world, we are bound to let our dreams bloom in the world of digital inkjet.